Hey guys, I'm Tim Walling. We train people to get a CWP in the state of South Carolina. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. So we've probably got close to 400 rounds through this firearm so far. This BullPup. Let's test some of this number 8 birdshot, and let's just see if it'll run it through there. Going hot. And it ejected. Again and again. All 3 rounds ejected through it. I've always heard that once you break the gun in, it'll run birdshot through it. And obviously, this thing is proven to be true. And I'm gonna let you get a look at that target I was just shooting at, because it tore that turkey's head up. Now, we was 20 yards away from our target while we were shooting our birdshot. I'd say that was pretty accurate, wouldn't you? That turkey wouldn't have made it. I just couldn't leave without loading up this 10-round magazine. So we got our birdshot in here, 10-round magazine, and let's make sure that this thing will run it. We are loaded. So 10 rounds, let's see how we do here with it. I always forget this safety, don't I? I'm used to pistols. I don't like safeties on pistols, but our safety is off and we are going hot. How about that? 10 rounds of birdshot through it. No failures, no misfeeds or anything. GForce, guys, are doing a great job with these guns. I am loving playing with this thing. So remember, guys, be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.